Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Danny. If you're new here, this is my Corvette and we're gonna do another mod. So this little puny wing, bye-bye. We got the extended ZR1 style and I'm gonna show you exactly how to remove that one and install the new one. Please excuse how extremely dirty this car is. I just got home from Corvettes at Carlisle. It was an 8-hour road trip, so self-explanatory. Anyways, first things first, we need to remove this taillight and this taillight. All it is a T15 Torx screw on each light. Now that you got these two lights out, go ahead, reach in. There is 4 bolts. One right there, there, and 2 over there. Take those out, they're 10 millimeters. Now that the bolts are unscrewed, you have one last thing to do to remove the little one. That is disconnect the third brake light. So this is my girlfriend's finger right here. She's pointing at the white connector. That is the light that you pull off. So that white tab closest to the back, you just pull down and it will come off. Once you disconnect the light, this, without scratching the paint, just gently lifting off. Almost there. Just do not want to scratch the paint with the studs. There we go. That is how you remove it. Now, while you have it off, this third brake light, these 2 studs need to come off in order to remove the third brake light. How to do that is you just, best way I do it is grab pliers on the tip of the stud and unscrew it. With the third brake light removed on the small spoiler, I was actually able to mount the third brake light into the new spoiler using the original studs, which is very handy. So now these 2, where the old studs were, are going to be the new hardware, which the bolts are a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna go a little bit heavier on the tape, and I'm not going to drill any holes. When I said I went heavy on the tape, I mean I went heavy on the tape. So now that you have, I don't think you need this much tape, but either way, when you have your tape down, before you put it on the car, pull up one of the ends of each single strand and hang it out beyond the spoiler so that you have an easy pull string to pull all of the red off once the wing's in place. Otherwise, it's gonna get stuck in there and you'll never be able to, you'll have to pull it off. This is what I mean by just pull the tip of the red off. The smaller ones, I just pulled them right off. But now I can set the wing in place and pull the red tabs. This is what it looks like with the spoiler on the car. I cleaned the surface before I put it on, don't worry. But I pulled all of the red off of the tape, pushed it down nicely. The fitment is amazing. Now I can go in, put the 2 new screws in, and put the 2 old bolts on the old studs. Don't forget to connect the third brake light connector before you put the taillight back in. Now that you have all of the screws tight and good in the factory locations, you can now put the taillights back in, give it a good clean, stand back and admire how good it looks. Here's the final product. I did a quick, crappy clean, but taillights are back in. Here's how it looks. I chose gloss black because my roof is gloss black. I'm very happy with it. Fitment's good. Install was easy and fast. That's probably the best angle right there. This is the ZR1 Extended. I actually bought it at Corvettes of Carlisle. That trip was amazing. Make sure you go check out that video too. Anyways, that's the install. I hope you can figure out your car. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna give this a proper clean now. Ciao.